Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create US verified PayPal account. So in order to create US verified PayPal account, first of all, you need to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com. Now it's going to take you to the official web page of paypal.com. After that, go ahead and tap on the sign up button in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now select the account type that you wish to go ahead and create for. You'll be asked to select the country of your residence. Now make sure that you select USA and then click on the get started button once you're done selecting your region. Now go ahead and type in your email address and then tap on the next button located right at the bottom. Here you'll be asked to type in the phone number, so enter in your phone number quickly and click on the next button. Next page, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. So for the verification purpose, you'll be asked to type in a verification code that will be sent through an SMS. Once you've done with that procedure, you'll need to move on with the next step where you'll need to provide in your bank details. So basically, you need to go ahead and link your bank account. If you don't have any, you can use a virtual bank account or a temporary bank account. After you've done linking your bank account, then you'll need to click on the review or the sign up button once again, and then you've successfully created your verified US PayPal account. So in this way, you can create a verified US PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.